Okay, we're back on the Umpqua here. We're on our second pass. Kintz just hooked up another big steelhead, taking drag out. We haven't seen it yet. He's fighting the good fight. I'm gonna trade places with him. There we go. We weren't in the river for more than a minute or two and it was bobber down. He thinks this is a bigger fish than the last one. Old Captain Kintz had to come all the way down from Portland to get a flavor of what the real Umpqua fishing is like. Fighting the good fight. I think we got us a bigger fish here. There's the bobber. Made another run.
Fuck!
Oh!
Did you ever see it?
Fish just came off. Damn!